Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The price of gold has added 0.9% to the last session. Stochastic transitioned into the neutral area. The euro-dollar pair has fallen 0.5% in the last session. The ROC has sunk into the negative zone. The sterling-dollar pair has fallen 0.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator has diminished into the negative zone. The Aussie-dollar pair has fallen 0.1% in the last session. The ADX has shot up into the positive zone.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Wall Street is gearing up for another week of market mayhem, with signs that the retail frenzy that pumped up the stock prices of the likes of GameStop Corp and AMC Entertainment Holdings Inc. is spreading to other assets. Cryptocurrency lender Nexo has launched an exchange service for a range of digital assets within its mobile app. Electric vehicles maker Tesla stands to receive a single-digit billion euro amount in public funding from Germany for setting up a battery cell factory near Berlin.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The U.S. Redbook Index will be released at 13:55 GMT, the French Consumer Price Index at 7:45 GMT, Italy's Gross Domestic Product at 900 GMT. Japan's 10-year bond auction will be released at 3:35 GMT, Australia's RBA interest rate decision at 3:30 GMT, Australia's RBA rate statement at 3:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.